What is that, Riley?
What you doing, Snake? He's not doing anything. He's dead.
What is that?
What is that, Riley?
Big old copperhead.
Where's the head?
It's in the woods.
God, something hit me the other day. Zach. Stuff falls all the time. What'd Mommy tell you? Don't touch the snake. It can hurt you.
No.
Say no, Zach.
No, Zach.
He wants a treat. Give him a treat, sweetie, okay?
Are those your biscuits? No, Riley.
She's getting it.
Oh.
It's another one.
That is another one. Zach, no.
What is that, Riley? Riley.
Acorn.
Acorn?
What color is your acorn?
Brown.
It is brown. Very good. Uh-oh. No, he doesn't eat acorns, okay? Can you throw it? Throw it. Throw your acorn.
No.
No, ma'am.
No. Headache.
Yeah, he's dead. You know what's weird? That those, what do you call those things? The maggots and all that, they haven't gotten to it yet.
Yeah.
Set, ready, go.
Yeah, let's back up from the snake. I don't want you to get used to getting close to the snake. Back up. Back up. The snakes can hurt you.
Wanna go get the acorn?
No, ma'am. There's other acorns over here. Let's go find some acorns.
Would you measure that thing at 3 feet?
It was 3 feet from the neck to the tail. Oh, mosquito bit me on my foot.
Let's go, Zach.
Ooh.
Let's go, Zach.
Let's
Right
go,
on my
Zach.
sidewalk.
Alright, let's see if we can find an acorn, baby. Whoa. I don't know if we can find one over here. These are not acorn trees.